Hi guys, welcome to my channel. These are the materials you're gonna need. So let's get started. So right here, you just see me sitting down on the floor, going ahead and tracing out the squares. I'm using I'm just using a square tile that my baby gave me to make my lines perfectly straight because I didn't have a ruler on hand, but if you had a ruler that would work just fine. I told you guys I try to do everything budget friendly, and there's no need in buying a ruler if you've got something that you can trace your lines for. These are my lines. Now that I have all of my squares, I'm gonna move ahead with my lettering. I purchased this from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be sticking these letters down and tracing around them. I'm just doing this in order to get a perfect shape of the letterings. And once again, like I said, I just went to my local Dollar Tree store and picked up the white poster board, a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and my stencilings. I already had the pencils on hand at home, so it's really a cheap way to make the lettering names. I don't know the proper name for it, but it's really just a cheap way to get around from spending, like, I think it would cost anywhere from $3 per towel if you tried to go and purchase them. So you see all my letterings right here. I was just mixing up some paint. I was going for a brown, blackish, greenish color, and I didn't have those colors on hand, so I just mixed them up. You're gonna see me right here just painting, mixing those colors and painting around the lines that I use to make the tiles. So that's just what I'm doing right there. Just taking my time. This is what it looks like afterwards. Here's another close-up of what it looks like after you get done painting. Yeah, nothing fancy. Just showing you guys what it looks like. So right here, you guys just see me going ahead and tracing over those letters with the black Sharpie and actually filling them in. That was my preference. I wanted to fill them in, so that's what I did. I'm not saying you have to do that. That's just what I did. So yeah, that's just what I did. Just working and taking my time with shading the letters. Hobby Lobby actually sell these if you wanted to go and purchase them and you don't want to do this by hand. I know it's time consuming, but if you have time like me, then you can take your time and add lettering to them. That's what you see me doing right here. Because that's the way they look at the store if you were to purchase them. And this is what you should have after you're done shading them and adding your little numbers and doing all your tracing. I then went ahead and cut them out, and I took an old picture frame box and cut it up into a million pieces just to get those 2 strips that I need. On those 2 strips, I'm going to be hot gluing my lettering down. If you don't have old poster boards or things like that, you can just go to your local Dollar Tree and pick up a foam board for $1. It'll work just the same. So we're just gonna be taking our time and hot gluing down our lettering. What helped me is I went ahead and placed my letterings for our name down first and got all the letters arranged the way they needed to be before I pulled out the hot glue gun to go ahead and hot glue them down. So right here you just see me working on Riley's name. So I'm just going to be using the L in Riley's name as the starting point to my name. So I won't have to put the L in Latricia. I'll just start and put a A. So yeah, in total I used 4 strips for our name. So right here you just see me cutting another strip, going to the back. That's gonna allow me to go ahead and continue, and I'm gonna use that T for Trevorius's name, and I'm just gonna put a R on the side of that strip, and as you can see, that's what it looks like. I just continued to do that, and once I got to the end, you should be left with something like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Leave comments. Please hit that like button and subscribe and share. Thank you. See you next time.